Hey everyone, Alan Summer here with Power Automotive. I just wanted to emphasize that it's important to make sure that whoever you have working on your car knows what they're doing, doesn't cut corners, does things the right way. We had a customer come in with a Toyota 4Runner with a check engine light on. Had a mass airflow sensor problem. Lots of times we can just clean that. Sometimes it's an air filter. Sometimes it's something electrical. But we took the sensor out to clean it, and here's what we found. And if you look at that, it looks like it's kind of melted, and it's in an area of the vehicle that doesn't really have any heat. So what we think probably happened is somebody used the wrong stuff to clean it with, like some kind of a solvent, or maybe brake clean, or honestly, who knows. The fact of the matter is it was obviously the wrong stuff. And if you take a look, you can see the plastic on it. It's kind of melted. That affects the path of the airflow, and basically the sensor's no good, and this thing's never going to provide an accurate reading again. So your engine doesn't know how much air is going into it, and then it doesn't know how to calibrate the fuel, calibrate the spark, and you get a check engine light, and probably reduced mileage, et cetera, et cetera. What they should have done is just use some of this stuff, which is the right stuff. CRC, mass airflow cleaner. There are lots of companies that make it. The moral of the story is just make sure that they're using the right stuff for the job, they know what they're doing, they're diagnosing things accurately, and it'll save you money, because spraying this with the wrong can of $3 cleaner ended up costing this customer $150, where we probably could have just cleaned it out otherwise. So be careful, and give us a call if we can help. Power Automotive, 269-685-5505. Thanks.